Hi guys!
Welcome back to Eliza's World. Today we will be making cheese stars.
These are one of Eliza's favourite snacks, and they're one of the family's favourite snacks too.
Don't forget to hit that like button in the face. Wait, no, you don't have to do it to your stars.
Oh, okay. I'll remember next time.
Let's do that again. Hit that like button in the face.
Okay, mixed up with the camera of which way I've got to punch, I'm sorry.
So you just do that.
I'm just joking. Okay, so don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Eliza's World X. And let's get on with baking. Yay! First of all, clean hands. Clean hands, Eliza.
Yeah. Hello everyone, the first ingredient we'll be doing is 3 ounces of cheese. It looks really good. Now gotta get the pasta spatula. 2 ounces of flour and this does say, and a little extra for rolling, but no, that's for rolling.
Okay.
I just love scooping. Just delightful.
What's that?
This is 1 ounce of butter. Okay, let's just do this. So what we need is half a teaspoon of baking soda. So it is completely white. Don't judge.
And the next item.
Stop.
Now with the garlic powder, it is optional. If you're not a fan of garlic, you could just use 3 ingredients for this recipe. You could just use the flour, butter and cheese. But we add the baking powder to make them a little bit lighter, and the garlic powder makes them very moorish.
Wait, what? Do not add any water to this recipe.
Right, I think we can put our hands in there now, Eliza. Do you want Mummy to do it or do you want to do it?
Me.
Right, so what you need to be doing is squidging it together with your hands to form a dough. So you've got to squidge it really well together, and you will think this is never ever going to work. You squidge, the more it will turn into a dough, I promise.
It actually is a dough, look.
So it's turning into a dough straight away.
I mean, I was like, you have to add water to it.
No.
And then Mum said, no, you can't.
A lot of people think they need to add water. It will just turn too sloppy if you do that. It's also a very forgiving dough, so once you've rolled it, you can pop it back in the fridge, you can re-roll it. To roll it, but the best thing to do is to break it in half.
Okay.
That's right, and put half back in the bowl, and the other half we're going to put on our rolling board.
Okay.
And then roll this so it catches some of the flour.
Then start rolling it out to the thickness of a pound coin. Oh, this is a
Do
lot
the
of hard
opposite
work.
direction as well from this side. And I'm going to turn it over.
Yeah. I'm just gonna get a star. So, can I fit
You've got
a
this
star?
overhanging. Make sure it
I can
doesn't
fit a
hang.
star.
Okay, well, put that there then.
6, 8, 10, 12. The ingredients made 12 hearts and 12 hearts and 12 stars, which equals 24 altogether. Put these in the oven for 10 minutes. See you in a minute. I mean 10 minutes. So guys, it has been 10 minutes.
Plus about 5 minutes for them to cool down, and these delicious guys are what we have.
Yeah, they look so delicious, and we have not tried it.
Look at those.
It's time to taste them. So cheers.
Mm.
So Eliza, how many stars, cheese stars, would you give for this bake?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's a 5-star cheese star recipe. Are you going to try this at home?
I hope you do.
The full recipe will be in the description below.
And check out our Instagram and Twitter.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
To Eliza as well. And remember, face.
Okay.
Hit that like button in the face. And now subscribe. Hit that like button in the cheese sauce.